Hi everyone. Fruit tree pruning time is rolling in. So we need to turn these dirty and rusty pruners into clean ones. We also need to sharpen it and coat and lubricate it with oil. And all of this can be done with items easily found in our home. So first, we need to sand away the rusty spots. A steel wool would be perfect for it, so use it if you have it. We don't have it, but we have this sanding sponge from one of our painting jobs. So we are going to use this instead. So after sanding it away, do not clean it with water. Use oil instead. We are using olive oil. I know it's a bit unusual, but it does the job just fine. If you do have specific oil that you use for other tools, then go ahead and use that. But you would be surprised how well olive oil works. Look at all that rust that came off. Now we are going to sharpen the blade. It is important to get a clean cut when pruning fruit trees and bushes. You can use a regular kitchen knife sharpener like this one. But if you don't have one, you can use another tool, preferably with steel blade like a scissors or a knife to sharpen. Just keep an eye that it is not eating away the tool you're using for sharpening. Now the last step is to lubricate the joint of this pruner, and we are again using olive oil for it. Just putting a drop or two with a spoon. You won't believe how smoothly it worked after this, and the sharp blade made pruning a breeze. If you're planning to plant any fruit trees or berries, we have a whole playlist dedicated to it, from planting instructions to pruning and taking care of your home orchard. So do check it out.